of the asynchronous lecture for today. So we just left with example 10 ni lah. Okay, we're gonna discuss example 10. There are 4 questions here, and all 4 examples ni adalah from using integration by parts method. Okay, untuk A we have ln x dx. So as I said, untuk solve using integration by part, first thing you kena let u sama dengan apa, dv sama dengan apa kan. Alright, so the function kita ada kat sini is only ln x. Okay, ln x sahaja. Okay, the integration is only ln x. Tapi kenapa kita perlu to the extent sampai guna integration by part ni? Again, jawapan dia sebab you couldn't find any function that when you differentiate you dapat ln x. Tak ada. So to solve ln x, you need integration by parts. Okay, you need integration by part. Yang ni ln dengan x ni sepatutnya dekat ya. Dia ln x dx. Okay, so we have ln x dx. So apa yang perlu kita let as your u and dv here? We go back to rule number 2 kat sini. Nampak tak rule number 2 here? Untuk you let as your u, the first choice, the highest priority is logarithmic functions, ln log. So terang lagi bersuluh lah. Yang ni maksudnya, okay, maksudnya kat sini your u is ln x, so dv kita adalah dx. So cuba you masukkan. So maknanya kat sini you punya ni ln x dx ni sama dengan, okay, u dv sama dengan your u is ln x and dv is x. Betul tak? Dapat balik sama kan? So daripada sini your u is ln x and dv is equals to dx. So what you got to do, you cari dia punya du over dx. So differentiate du over dx, you're gonna get 1 over x. And v, untuk dapat v, you integrate dx. Dx ni macam mana nak integrate? Ada dx je? No, dx ni kita ada 1 darab dx. That's why dia nampak dx saja. So integrate 1, you will get x. So integration u dv ni sama dengan uv minus with integration of v du, right? So daripada sini u darab dengan v, u kita adalah ln x, v kita adalah x. So we have x ln x. Saya letak x kat depan supaya tak confuse. Nanti kan kalau ibu letak ln x kat depan, ln x darab x, you buat ln x square, salah tu. So that's why to avoid confusion, kita buat x ln x. And then minus with v is x, and du kat sini kita ada du kita sama dengan 1 over x dx. Betul? 1 over x dx. So we ganti 1 over x dx. So ni cancel. So we have x ln x. Integrate 1 respect to dx, you're gonna get x tambah c. So that is the answer. Okay, take note du over dx is 1 over x, so that's why we have du is equals to 1 over x dx. So gantikan du ni dengan 1 over x dx. That's why kita dapat ni. So this is the final answer for A. Alright. Okay, now we'll proceed to example B, where example B is integration of x square e to the power of x dx. Okay, untuk example B ni kita ada 2 choice kan untuk let your u and dv, x square dan e to the power of x. Mana satu kita nak pilih, x square ke e to the power of x? So again, nak senang tengok je kepada ranking ni, x square dengan exponential. So nampak tak? E, exponential function, is yang pilihan terakhir untuk you let as your u. So kita gunalah trig algebraic function ni sebagai your u. So u sama dengan x square, dv sama dengan e to the power of x dx. Okay, so du over dx is equals to 2x, and v is equals to e to the power of x. Okay, v is equals to e to the power of x. Okay, so dari sini we can solve we try to solve. So you have uv minus with v du. So the integration is u darab dengan v. Ni semua saya tak letak du. Du sama dengan 2x dx. Kut-kut lah, you all tak tahu du tu apa. You ada du over dx je. So u darab dengan v. So here u x square v is e to power of x minus with v kita adalah e to power of x. Du kita adalah 2x dx. Okay, so kalau kita tengok kat sini kan, we have x square e to power of x minus with 2. Okay, 2 x ni boleh letak kat depan, sama je, x e to power of x dx. Okay, so kalau macam example tadi, ln x tu senang je, kita boleh solve integration. Yang ni kita boleh tak solve integration yang ni? Can we solve the integration directly? Okay, tanpa memerlukan techniques. Any techniques? No. Kat sini to solve this, only this part, you have to use one more time integration by part. So maknanya yang ni you perlu guna sekali lagi u and dv. Buat lagi sekali your integration by part. Okay, you have to do one more time your integration by part, yang mana u is equals to x dv sama dengan e to power of x. So dari sini du sama dengan dx and our v is equals to e to the power of x. Okay, so daripada situ x square e to the power of x yang lama ni saya bawa. So minus with kat sini u darab dengan v. U darab dengan v is x e to the power of x minus with v du e to the power of x dx. So we have x square e to the power of x minus x e to the power of x tambah integrate e to the power of x. Tak ada masalah dah lah. So which is e to the power of x, and do not forget plus with c. Okay, so this is our answer for B. Alright, this is our answer for B. Now let's proceed to C. Okay, untuk C, integration of e to the power of x cos x dx. Okay, so here we, kan, yang ni kita ada dua antara e to the power of x and cos x. So yang mana satu kita nak pilih. Tadi kita dah check exponential ni yang paling bawah sekali untuk you let as your u. So maknanya of course lah pilihan kita pilih cos x lah sebagai you punya u, and dv adalah e to power of x dx. Okay, so du over dx is equals to negative sin x. So your du is equals to negative sin x dx. And v pula, integrate v power of x dx, you get e to the power of x. Alright, so guna formula uv minus with v du, kita akan dapat u kita yang ni darab dengan v kita. So we have e to the power of x cos x tolak v kita adalah e to the power of x negative sin x dx. Okay, so here jawapan kita, integration of e to the power of x cos x dx is equals to e to the power of x cos x tambah e to the power of x sin x dx. Nampak gaya macam B juga. The integration here, kita tak boleh solve it directly again. Yang ni, kan? So, apa yang you perlu buat, buat lagi sekali integration by part and make sure you remain the same pattern. Yang you let your u is trigo function. So, u equals to sin x. Okay, so du is equals to cos x dx. And dv kita adalah e to the power of x dx. So, v kita adalah integrate e to the power of x dx. Kita dapat e to the power of x, kan? So, daripada sini kan, kita dapat e power of x cos x tambah dengan integration of e to power of x sin x dx is equals to uv minus with integration of v du, betul? So, u darab dengan v, sin x darab dengan e to power of x. So, you have e to power of x sin x minus with integration of v, our v is e to power of x, du kita adalah cos x dx. Dah macam mana ni? Okay, so jawapan kita akan dapat e to power of x cos x tambah e to power of x sin x tolak integration of e to power of x cos x dx. Dan soalan kita adalah e to power of x cos x dx. So what should we do now? Apa yang perlu kita buat sekarang? Are we going to solve this one more time? Nak buat lagi, nak let u lagi, nak let v dv lagi. Do you know what is going to happen? Dia akan repeat benda yang sama. So how we are going to solve? We are looking for this solution. And nampak tak? Sekarang ni cuba you tengok belah kiri, belah kanan you, ada tak benda yang, apa soalan kita? E to power of x cos x dx. Ada tak soalan tu kat belah kanan awak? Yes, we do have this soalan also on your right hand side. Ibarat kata macam kita ada x sama dengan a plus b minus x. So can we find x if the concept is like this? Yes, you may bring x to your left hand side. So you can have 2x sama dengan a tambah b. So x kita sama dengan a tambah b per 2. Nampak tak? It's very simple. They're playing a trick here with all of you. So, to solve this, maknanya jawapan yang ni, jawapan dia sama dengan apa jawapan dia? Okay, this question, the answer is, okay, the question for this question, apa jawapan dia? I think you all can already figure out the answer here. Betul tak? Okay, jawapan dia adalah, sekejap nak sapu ni sekejap. Okay, jawapan dia yang ni adalah warna apa biru lah. Okay, so maknanya kat sini kita akan dapat 2 e the power of x cos x dx. Macam dapat 2? Sebab yang ni, yang bawah ni pergi ke sini. Sama dengan e the power of x cos x tambah e the power of x sin x. So, e the power of x cos x dx, dia punya integration is equals to, you may factor out e the power of x over 2 cos x tambah sin x tambah c. Okay, so that is the answer for C. Nampak tak? Okay, there's sometimes dia punya trick, you don't even have to solve that integration directly, but indirectly you dapat jawapan. Faham tak? Okay. Alright, so now let's move to the last example. Okay, last example ni straightforward lah sebenarnya. X e to the power of minus x dx. Cuma beza dia, you just have to ganti value 0 dan 4 ke dalam solution tu lah kan. So let u sama dengan apa? Let u sama dengan x, dv sama dengan e power negative x. I don't think I want to solve this question, but instead this question will be your classwork submission. So I nak you all try to solve this question and I'm going to give you the final answer. Okay, try Okay, untuk ini jawapan yang you patut dapat adalah 1 tolak 5 e to power of negative 4. Okay, so you try to do this as your classwork submission. Second classwork submission question to be submitted by 11:59 p.m. tonight. Alright, for those who have difficulty, maybe you are affected by flood ke apa ke, tak boleh nak submit ke apa semua, do not just keep quiet. Please let me know. Alright, please let me know. Kalau you tak boleh nak sampaikan, katakanlah sebelum tu you dah ada update kat kawan you, mintalah kawan-kawan update kat saya. At least I know why you are not submitting. Alright, so take care everyone. For those who have been affected by flood, okay, jaga diri semua. Alright, that's all. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh.